Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the weekly walkthrough, and today I'm going to be showing you where the 5 power switches are in Call of Duty Infinite Warfare Zombies in Spaceland. Let me just skip this intro, because we don't really need it for this. Let's just let it load. And the first one is a really given, easy one. From spawn right here, the first one is going to be in this room where it shows the little power thing. It's going to be right on this wall here. You're going to want to turn that on if you even want to get past here, so that's kind of a given. So I'm sorry if this video takes a long time. I am just starting on this YouTube stuff. I am not good. I haven't even learned how to edit yet, so just bear with me. Just here's a little moment of silence so I can farm up some money, get past this door, and continue with the thing. So oh yeah, also if you like this video or if it helped you, remember to like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. It really helps me. So yeah, please, it helps. I have enough to get through here. Okay, so in this area, this is where you get to all the other places to get all the other power switches. Like there's one in Polar Peaks, there's one in the Kepler system, there is also 2 in Journey into Spaceland, or Journey into Space. I'm just gonna be quiet again so I can farm up enough money to open Polar Peaks. So I'll speak up once, I don't know, I think of something to say, or once I get enough money. Oh, wait, I just remembered. Each one of these doors cost 1,000. 1,000 more for each player you have. So if it's 4, it's 4,000. 3, 3,000, and so on. So if you're playing by yourself, it's the cheapest. Didn't mean to press that. Try to reload, but then you can't reload on an M1. A very handy weapon to have is the Banshee, because, well, the M1 for me, it just doesn't cut it in the later levels. So if you want to just straight get the power, you're gonna need 2,250. I don't have that much right now, so just need to farm up a little more money so I can show you where the power switch is here. In this area, you're gonna want to open this door right here, which is 1,250, which is the other stuff that I said. So just give me a minute and I'll farm this up and show you where it is. Feel free to skip through the video like skim it, find which one you need. This is to help, not to make you watch this entire thing. I won't make you watch that. You can skip through and find what you need to do, which power switches you know, which one you haven't found yet. So, yeah. Oh, and round, it's either 5 or 6 is clown round, which they do give you a bit of money, and oh, you're there. You dead? Yes, you are. Clowns, they explode, so just be wary of that when you're fighting them. Don't fight them with a shotgun or get, oh, I didn't mean to do that. I need the money, not to clear the set. When you're getting the power switches, I do recommend keeping one zombie alive. I know I just failed that, but ooh, it might be clown round. That's not good. Is it clown round? No, it's not clown round. Alright, well, a shotgun is handy in these close situations. Like right here, you can just take him out before he even spawns. So once you open this door, you're going to want to continue up past it. You don't need to buy any more doors here to find them. Past this area, you're going to want to be in this section right here. Hold on. It is right here. Then you need to run back down. You can go the other way. It just seemed like there's more zombies, and this is a easier way to go. It is kind of bad to be in here while the horde comes, but I'll do it just for the sake. You're gonna want to go through these portals right here. You're gonna need to find the activation thing, and then you're gonna have to wait a little bit for it to open. And then you see that there's 4 here. We've opened one. Next one I'm going to show you is in Kelpler space. So just bear with me so I can get enough money to go in there. You're going to need 2,250 to go all the way through. So let me just farm that up real fast. And I am going to keep one alive for this so I can show you where it is without having to, oh, that is not good, without having to kill or having to run away as often because there's more. I think there's just one. Alright, so you're going to want to open this door, and oh no, I don't have enough. I'm going to have to kill him and show you guys. Crap. Alright, so okay, good, there's another one. I still don't have enough. Alright, I'm gonna need to, this might take me a bit because I need to close these off right here so I can get just a little more money. Oh, I need one more. That kind of sucks. Like, not like 10 away from what you need. Alright, 300's fine. Once you go up here, you're going to want to go into this door right here. If you go further down, there is another way, but this one's the quickest. If you go up here, up these stairs, here is the next power generator. Now what you need to do is, here is the portal, here's the activation. Now you go through it. Well, yeah, you're going to have to wait a bit until. Okay, the next 2 that I'm going to show you are in Journey into Space. There's one far in here and there's there's one pretty decently close. So I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit so I can farm up enough money. Before I go in there, I'm going to get a gun in Polar Peaks that's gonna make this so much easier for you guys if you're trying to do this by yourself. Oh yeah, you're gonna wanna buy more ammo for this too. I need to do that in a second. So I'm just gonna be quiet and farm up enough money. Oh no, it's clown round. Yeah, they explode and they're really fast. Crap. They explode if they get too close to you. But at the end they give you max ammo. That I forgot about that part. There we go. I don't think the M1 is gonna do any better. Is gonna do good in this round. Because every round the zombies get more powerful. Yeah. Can I hit a headshot, please? No? Alright. So I think the Banshee is my best bet right now. Dang it! I didn't mean to do that. I don't think that gives you any money. Oh, it does. It gives you 400. Alright, that's good. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry if this is taking a bit longer. This is taking a bit longer than I want to. So, I'm sorry you gotta see my gameplay. I just don't know how to edit yet. I will learn in the future, but I just need to get this video out. I'm going to get this right here, which I call the sprinkles maker because, you know, it just mows people. And it doesn't take too long to reload either. It's really good for the later rounds when there's a lot, you know, if I could actually aim, it's really good. Oh, this is a terrible area to be. And what's really handy about activating each of the power stuff is that you can just activate the portal and go in once every round, so that's good. Like, really, really good that you can just teleport back to here every time. So that makes it a little faster so I can go and open this door for you. For you, yeah. What you're gonna want to do is it through here? No, one's not through there. You're gonna want to open this door right here, which is 1,500. So let me just farm a bit, like I was saying. Like I said earlier, please enjoy a moment of silence so I can get some money and continue on this walkthrough. There we go. I also like fighting each new round in here because there's a bunch of ways to maneuver around different places. Oh, at round 10, there's going to be this giant boss that I'm pretty sure I might die on, so you might watch me go back to the loading screen and start up again to where I can then go into the new place if I can't get there on this playthrough. You might see me accidentally die. Let me just farm a little bit of money and go in. Oh, well, that is not good. Alright, so I already showed you where 2 are, so let me just reload into this. You might have to see that because I don't know how to edit yet, so that would be, here, let me just skip through this cutscene. Can I skip it? Is it gonna let me skip? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Since I already showed you where those two are, I can just show you where the last ones are and give, yeah, and help you with that. So, just give me a minute and I'll get back to where I was just a minute ago. Yeah. I'm sorry for this inconvenience. I'm not that great at the game, so I'm just gonna be quiet, like, give some silence so I can concentrate and hopefully not die and farm up this money. And then I'll probably talk back when I get to the new area where I'm gonna show you where the new things are. So I'm gonna be quiet now. And again, I'm sorry this is taking so long to get. And like I said before, you just feel free to skip through the video to where you need, to where I show where all the different stuff is, where you need it. In this video, I'm not going to show you the Pack-a-Punch room because I'm just going to go over here in this playthrough because, you know, I just died with that and that already done. So just bear with me. And I'll be there shortly. And instead of going into Polar Peaks, I'm going to get a weapon in here that's also pretty good, so I can hopefully not die again, because that was bad. I'm going to get this gun right here because it works pretty well, the ERAD. It works pretty well. Oh. Sorry about that. Oh god, come on, not now. I thought I turned this on silent. Alright, so turns out that headshots aren't working anymore. Alright, I need this new weapon pretty fast because these headshots are not working that well right now. It'd be also great if I could aim. Alright, let me go grab this weapon and then I will open the other door so I can show you where the power switch is. Dang it, I don't have enough. Alright, when we're gonna go to this door right here, which is 1,500. Walk through it. Here is the portal. There's the activation. You're going to want to run all the way through here and get the, well, you're going to want to need that in later rounds. It is Juggernaut. It costs 2,500, so you might need that later. The power switch you're going to want to grab is right here next to this door right here. Just keep following around. And then you're going to want to activate the portal over here so you can just, you know, activate the portal to so you can get Pack-a-Punch. But I'm not going to get that this round, so I'm not going to activate the portal right now. The next one is in the arcade, which is still around the, which is in that same area, but I just like I said before, I like to go in here to start a new round, because it's a lot easier to maneuver around stuff. I'm gonna need to buy ammo on this, so I'm just gonna farm up a little more money than I need. I don't even use grenades, so that's not helpful for me. Oh crap. I need to buy some ammo. God, is it? Crap. Hopefully I don't die here. This is not great. Oh yeah, I don't use this weapon a lot, that's why it's on rank 3. Let me just get this round down to 1 zombie, so I can show you where this, thing is. Is this the last zombie? I think it is, because I'm going to go to where this last power thing is. It's really tight spaces, and I think it cost only 2,000 to open all the doors to get there, but I might be mistaken, so that's why I have 3,285. So what you're going to want to do is, back where this other power switch is, you're going to open this door to the bumper cars. Don't get hit by these because it's an instant knock. And then you're going to want, where is the door? Oh, this one right here, where this weird looking thing is. You're going to want to open this, and this takes you to the arcade in here, which is a really tight enclosed space. Then you want to go all the way over to this wall right here, which has the power switch on it. Turn it on, and then the last portal is right here. So you go into it, and there you have your Pack-a-Punch. Now, there is everything I'm going to show you in this walkthrough. So this was the weekly walkthrough, and I will see you in another video. Goodbye.